Have a holly jolly Christmas!
That's the warmest greeting from the lovely daughter. Andito kami sa aking mga in-laws. Christmas party the Swedish way today. So ready na ang aming hapagkainan. So iba din ang lugar kung saan kami kakain at iba din ang table kung saan kami kukuha ng food. Featuring to you, ang sarap nito, champignon na stew at nilalagay sa shell. So to start with, ito ang aming mga cold dishes and appetizers. So the usual Swedish Christmas food. My sausages, my different kinds of fruits, my smoked salmon. Sauce for the smoked salmon, Brussels sprouts, raw salted salmon, pickled cucumber, different kinds of pickled fish na merong egg sprinkled with dill and shrimps on top. Tapos may iba't ibang queso, may butter na ilalagay sa tinapay. So usually ito ang common, mga iba't ibang cheese sa Christmas, and crisp bread or crackers. So, nilalagyan nila ng queso at butter yan. Ang ganda pati ng kanilang center candle. So, meron pa doong mga warm dishes after ng ating appetizer. Warm dishes naman tayo. Gratinated potatoes first. I cooked pancit canton with Christmas colors. Vegetarian yan kasi may ibang family members na hindi kumakain ng meat. Ito naman ibang klase naman ng gratinated potatoes kasi meron siyang anchovies. At ang favorite of all sa Christmas ay ang Swedish meatballs na paris niya ang boiled potatoes. O, ito na ang aking first portion. O, diba, bonggang-bongga, punong-punong aking plato. Dahil before dito kumain, hindi na ako nag-lunch sa bahay. Then, ito na naman ang aking second portion. Okay, a little of everything. Ayun, napuno na naman ang aking plato. And the dessert, ang dami-daming minatamis. Meron tayong macaroons, meron ding ready-made na chocolate. Ito, binake nila home-baked saffron cake na pinarisa ng cream. At merong mga nuts and seeds muffins. At iba't ibang klase ng chocolate. Ang aking in-laws ang gagaling nilang mag-bake ng mga Swedish dessert. So, ang luto ko lang ay ang sesame and coconut balls and macaroons muffins. Punong-puno ng minatamis ang aking plato for dessert. My palate was still willing to eat more, pero ang tiyan ko ay busog-lusog na talaga, as in bundat na bundat. Nagustuhan ko tong saffron cake. After dessert, gift giving na. It's time to unbox kung ano aking nakuha from the Secret Santa. And here comes our exchange gift game. Whoever throws away the dice with similar numbers can choose whatever gift they want. Pag maraming beses na nagkapareho ang number ng iyong dice, that means maraming beses ka din makakakuha ng mga gifts. So ito ang aming nakuha. Chocolates na geisha at gua sha for facial massage. Kada taon, may mga show sa TV tuwing Pasko na pare-pareho lang ang show, kaya most of the Swedes ay memorize na ang mga dialogues. So that's it for this year's Christmas party the Swedish way. Maraming salamat sa inyong patuloy na panonood. Hanggang sa muli. Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year. God bless us all. Hope and pray that you also enjoyed your Christmas celebration wherever you are. The birth of Jesus Christ is the reason for the season.